I wish I could believe you, and I'd be alright. But now everything you told me really don't apply to the way I feel inside. Loving you was easy once upon a time, but now my suspicions of you are multiplied. And it's all because you lie. I only give you a hard time, 'cause I can't go on and pretend like I haven't tried to forget things, but I'm much too full of resentment